Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawatomie River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawatomie River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 3:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along the line extending from 6 nautical miles south of Cape Tower to 44 nautical miles south of Cape Tower, moving north at 40 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar indicated.
No, you will stop dying.
Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Buckeye Reef, O Tower, K Tower, South Tower, V Tower, Horseshoe Beach, and Marker 24 Barge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for Big Bend of Florida and the adjacent coastal waters. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for Big Bend of Florida.
Oh, I touched it.
The severe thunderstorm warning for Madison and Central Brooks counties is canceled.
Oh!
Tornado warning for northern Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, southeastern Newell County in southwestern Georgia, east central Seminole County in southwestern Georgia until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time,
Whoa, what just happened?
Capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Donaldsonville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado.
Why?
Source: radar.
Why didn't you make that a double freaking header?
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to the
Why?
without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
I'm gonna have to turn you off.
And vehicles will occur.
No! No! You rebooted!
The dangerous storm will be near Bainbridge, U.S. Bainbridge, around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Desser, Hanover, Ophme, Britain, Cyrene, El Dorado, Decatur, and Stuyvesant Store. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following